What is up, cravers? It is your girl Sandy, and I am back with another video. Today I'm doing a very simple little video for you guys. Hopefully it won't be so long, but something very simple. As you guys seen that I have done started my decorative planner from Gold Mine & Coco. Is the vegan leather with black rings, so gorgeous. And I'm pretty much was like looking at the picture when I posted it on Instagram, and I'm like, this bad boy needs something, and I found out this something. So I want to tell you guys, if you want to do this yourself as well, I advise, because this is going to be a fun little project. It just, only things you need is a laminator sheet, and the folded folder, laminated sheet folder, and vinyl, and that's all that you need. So guys, let's get started on this project. Really quick what my pocket looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like. This is from Simply Gilded, this is from Mini Rose Code, this is from Schedule Planners. Gosh, I can't remember where this is from. As soon as I find out, I will put it down below. This is from, God, I gotta stop. I know, I can't think of who. Dang it, I forgot. This one I'll post down below. This is a washi card. It's a thick acrylic card with my bow in it, and I also put washi tapes just to match the aesthetic. This was just a card from Mini Rose Co, and I just folded it in half and just put it there so that way it can just show the black girl magic. This is from Isis Ella Jewels. You guys should know this. And this is from another planner. I don't think another sticker shop, not sticker shop, but another shop where I don't think they're no longer around. I'm gonna have to find out. I don't know, it's been a while since order off Etsy. This is some tweezers off my shop with Craver on it, and what I'm looking to do is actually add something in this pocket. So I'm gonna have to let's measure this, because I want to make sure I make this in the right way. So I want this to stick out actually right here, like right where this pocket is. That's how far I want it to go out, maybe even just as far as this. So let's see how I'm gonna do this, guys. So I'm giving you guys robe chronicles today. I'm in my robe. It's a little chilly, but you know, guys, I'm always cold. So right now, just to show you guys, this is the laminator I got. This is a Scotch brand. They do have stronger laminators, which I am definitely getting this year. This one, I believe I love it, but I need something a little bit stronger. And actually, I want one to do up to 10 ml. It's very thick. Right now, this one only does up to 5. So online and also in my Amazon shop, I want to show you guys, I had ordered like over 200 of these pockets, or these folders, and these are laminating folders. So I'm going to run this through. You don't have to put anything in it. I'm not going to put anything in it. I just want it to just laminate and then use it as like kind of like a dashboard, but just like, you know, in the pocket. And if you guys have this same planner, please do this if you want. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what it's gonna be so cute. I ain't waiting for this to actually heat up. So once this turns blue, we are good to go where it says ready, and I'll get with you guys in a second. All right, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in here, and I may let it run like 2 times. I don't know, we're gonna see, but I'm just gonna let this go ahead and run through. What I did was I measured the pocket like depth, and also to the pocket is about 5 inches lengthwise. It says about 9, but I'll make it about 8 just so I can have some leave room. We're going to see how this is going to work. Alrighty, so back to here. I just want to see, I didn't want to make it too wide. Oh wow. Now remember that I have these in, so I might need to push them out a little bit, like my pins. So that might be what's stopping it from going all the way in. I know this Fendi one is, I definitely know. Yeah, it was. Okay, so maybe I'll put it in. All right, so as I stick it in a little bit more, so I made about 5, a little bit more. So I'm gonna just cut out just a little bit, just this little bit more out. So I think I definitely like it is. If you want to make it a little bit more than 8, you really, I'll say another quarter, and you'll be sitting straight. But right now I'm going to take off just this little bit here. I don't know if you guys can see, that's where this pocket stops. So, and then after that, then I'm going to put, because this, I don't want this to go anywhere. So let me go ahead and cut that little piece out, and then I'll be back. Now that I had cut that little piece out, let's see. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. So I'll say if you do 8, maybe 8 1/4 length by 5, you're good to go. Now I'm gonna put my my Fendi pen back in here because I had it all the way where it doesn't move. Okay, so that way it is gonna puncture through this, which is fine. Maybe I should have just put my thing here before, but it's okay, guys. Y'all know me, I do things a little complicated. Just a little bit. So now I'm gonna say about 1 inch. Gives about 1 inch, yeah. Yeah, about 1 inch. Yep, this is about 1 inch. I'm gonna go ahead and make my vinyl, and this is the color that I'm using. Kind of just makes it definitely work better. I haven't decided really on how I want it to look yet. I don't know if I want to say Planner Craving. Do I want to say Sandy? Do I want to do Sandy design, my bow? Do I want to do, I don't know, guys. Like, what should I do, huh? Should I do Sandy or should I do Planner Craving? Maybe I should do Sandy Fields. Maybe I should do, I'll show you guys in a second what I do. So cute. Can I wait to show you guys what I actually am working on? So, and then I just discovered, I was like, you know, I should do my other pocket as well. So I just want to show y'all guys little things that y'all can do for y'all planners to just make your own designs. You know what I'm saying? Be unique in your designs, you know, and that's what I like to show. I know I talk a lot about my shop on this channel and things, and it's not really all about that. I know it's definitely, you know, Planner Craving, but at the same time, y'all, it's like I can't have all you know, work and no play. So that's my biggest thing. So I'm about to get this cut. Ooh, y'all see it? Ooh, and then I was like, I think I got an idea for the end pocket as well. So guys, when y'all see this, I just hope that I inspire somebody today to do that pocket. Get your front pocket together. And then of course, you know, we also have, oops, oh yeah, I have stuff in here that I gotta put in here, but I also have, you know, the back pocket as well. So I have my mini rose coat. So it's like I have a lot of, now I think about it, I got a lot of sticky notes. I got a lot of sticky notes in my other planner too. So I think I want to do something with this pocket as well to match with the front, but y'all know that will be another video. And then of course there's another inner pocket here. But first things first, get y'all pockets together. Hopefully I inspired you. Also tag me and let me know if I inspired you on getting your pockets together. I also like to show inspiration on my, you know, on my, I got two Instagrams, guys. So I got one with Inspired by Sandy and one with just Planner Craving. Planner Craving is more towards, you know, just showing you guys, you know, it's supposed to be Planner Craving. So I'm trying to separate the two because I know, you know, I have a business, but I wanted to just be my products. But I know every now and again I'll post something on there, you know, just so you guys can see. Oh my God, this is going to be so cute. Are you guys ready? Because I'm not. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip you around for just a second. I like to use my tweezers, so this is what I decided to do is my name. So I need to put this back in here. I'm gonna put my clips back in here in a second. If you guys do this prior to putting it in here, that's good. Don't be like me, okay? Don't be like me and trying to show y'all something that I should have, you know, did prior. See, and this is where this is gonna come in handy. Hold on. Boom. Now, hold on. I like to use this as like scraping That's washi cards are your friends, okay? So I like to use this sometime as my little scraper. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna put this here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, give me my eye now. Give me my eye. Stop playing with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. All right, y'all. I promise I ain't gonna start singing. Cause y'all know how I can get now. Oh, girl. Oh, yes. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We might need to do a little snip right here because I don't want nothing interfering. Okay. So, this would be really freaking cute. Y'all guys don't understand. I'm a good eyeballer. Look, watch me say that and mess myself up. So, also, kids, don't do this in the dark. Don't do this. Don't do it in the dark. Don't do it in the dark. That kind of sounded interesting, didn't it? Okay, so here we go again. We're gonna do this. I know I should turn on some more lights. I know I always complain about how dark my office is, but then I still be recording in the dark. All right, we're gonna put this back in here. So this is why this is good, okay? All right, here we go. One, nothing wrong with me. Two, nothing wrong with me. Three, nothing wrong with me. Nothing wrong with me. Okay, here we go. This is so cute. Look how cute that is. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. We gotta put it in. Hey. I like when the, yeah, I like when that, okay, maybe I should have did that in the first place. Ooh, girl, you messed it. Hold up. Don't hide it. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here too. Oh my God, stop playing with me. Look how cute that is. And if I want to put like something behind there, I can. Should I put something behind there? I don't know. Let's see. Y'all think that would look okay? Or do y'all like that zipper? If you don't want the zipper to show, then we can put something. But I got all types of papers in here. Hold up. Let me see. I got this paper. See, I love using cardstock as backgrounds. I think I got a polka dot paper. Maybe the polka dot make it pop. Okay, hold up, y'all. Let me see if I got some polka dot paper. I want to show you guys that this is literally like the closest to the polka dot, so that's fine. So I'm gonna show you guys. You might not agree, or you might disagree or agree with me, but if I put this here, oh, I forgot. Daggone, hold on. We gotta take this out again, remember? Okay, here we go. So what if I did, I don't know, see, it's still cute, still there, but you can't really, it's not readable. Wow. It's cute though. I like it because of the black. Now, if I want to get a little technical, there is this side too, which is not bad actually. So let's see how this side look. What y'all think? Actually, I like this side better because I feel like I can read it a lot better. I'm also going to turn on this light in here. Now, can y'all see a little bit better? Y'all probably like, yes, honey, you got us all in the dark. So, I don't know. Or should I just do black and just keep it so if I ever put something in this pocket back here, it's not going to interrupt this whole design. You know what I'm saying? I like it though, but I'm not going to lie. Like the other pattern gives me, you know, better, I don't know. But then if I just do black, it's fine. You know, I can do black. That is no problem. I even had it to where I got like a gold, from Capital Chic Designs. I have like a gold, I don't know guys, let's start playing with this for a little bit. Let's see, I'll do the gold and then I'll do the black and then we'll vote then. I'm gonna take this one out. All right, so here's the black. Which, I mean, I don't think it'd be that bad because, you know, it is black. It's just, you know, that way it really pops. I do like how clean that looks. Nothing's wrong with that. Look how clean that looks. Very clean. So, yes, that is a possibility. And then I'm going to have this, guys. This is what I found. I found this one, too. So, if I want to do like a little stripe design, I don't think that would be bad. I like that little stripe. stripe isn't bad, you know. I really like the stripe too, but it's what I like about our cardstocks, the double-sided ones. So for this side, how about the stars? If you did the stars, how's that look? I like how I could change it up, you know what I'm saying? And that's the biggest part about this, is changing it up. All right, and last but not least, oh, I even had this one too, but even though it has like the blue onks on it, it's okay. It's different, right? I think they're blank on, yeah, they're blank on the other side. All right, and here is the gold. I don't know, I think, oh, yeah, that's too busy. That is like way too busy. Plain old white, I have that option as well, you know, just to do white, so that way, you know, yeah, so really, I don't know what I want to go with, guys. This is hard. I really do like, girl, I am a polka dot and stripe freak, okay? Let me tell y'all. Let's see something. Definitely going to measure this part out too. And in that way, it'll be layered. Oh yeah, that would be cute. Like, when I put something there eventually, because I think I want to do some type of design. That's why I'm like trying to figure out what I want to do here. But I also have all these different options now, you know what I'm saying? So I could probably just put them in there for now, and just hold it until, you know, I feel maybe, let's see. I don't know, that pink was just, if the letters was, this is more like a nude color. If this was more like a little bit of a darker, you know what I'm saying, it probably would, not darker, but like more pink with it, it probably would have been a lot better, even with the polka dot. Actually, hold on, come on in there, go ahead on in there now. I don't think the polka dot would be bad. Let me see, where's my black one? I don't know what my... Alright guys, this is to give you guys some ideas, not just me. This is to also help you guys out. So I'm gonna be over here flipping and flipping and flipping and flipping and flipping and flipping. So I might even put the actual tribal design back in there actually. Let me tell you, the stripe is not bad at all. I definitely think I want the stripe. Okay, so I don't know guys, we'll see going forward into other videos, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you had some type of inspiration. I will say the video before this one is the one where I created and decorated all of these, but guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next one. All right, bye.